Guess what? Avondale is getting data centers, and that's not all that's coming. Please watch this video. Someone asked me, Eva, what are they building on Indian School? So, of course, I started looking into it, and I found the City of Avondale's Development Progress Dashboard website, which is where that's the source of all of the information that I'm about to share with you. And just let me tell you, there is a lot happening in Avondale, a lot more than I even suspected. Now, let's start with Indian School and Dysart, because that's actually what sent me down this rabbit hole. The area that's being built there is called Ascend. The commercial part is called Shops at Ascend. So yes, businesses are supposed to be coming here to that corner. There are no official tenants registered. So once I find out, I will share that information with you. I'll definitely keep watching this one. Now, let's zoom out because this is where I realized just how much Avondale is actually growing. Now, according to the dashboard that I'm looking at, and I'm sharing a screen up here, there are 17 single-family projects, 19 multifamily projects, 23 commercial projects, and 11 industrial projects coming to Avondale. And remember, those numbers are just projects. They don't actually tell us how big each project is. Now, that's important because some of these purple industrial areas are huge. For example, data centers. Now, if you've never heard of a data center, think of it as a gigantic home for computers. Now, before we used to store VHSs and CDs, and if we wanted a movie, we needed to find it to play it. Well, now we don't have those anymore because everything's stored in a data center. So these computers help store and process all of the information that we use online every day. Avondale has some very large data center projects coming. And here's the first one, Stack Data Center, which is down in southern Avondale near Litchfield Road. Now, the city's dashboard currently shows it's under construction with an estimated completion date of August 2028. And then if you look over here, this is a QTS Data Center near Lower Buckeye Road. Now, this one definitely surprised me. According to the city's dashboard, the project covers approximately 212 acres. You heard that right. It's planned to have 8 buildings totaling approximately 3.3 million square feet. Yeah, million with an M. So while there are only 11 industrial projects showing on this dashboard, some of those individual projects take up a lot of land. There's also a West Valley Islamic Center project coming to 105th Avenue and Van Buren. Now, the city's dashboard currently shows that project under construction. And I also found what appears to be 2 QuikTrip projects on the map. One is around Indian School in El Mirage, and the other one is around Avondale Boulevard and McDowell Road. Now, here's something really important. Not everything on this dashboard has an estimated completion date, and some projects could actually be further along than what's shown here. I'm just talking to you about what I found on this website. So again, I'm using the City of Avondale's dashboard as a snapshot of projects that are planned, approved, or construction. So basically, don't yell at me if you drive over there and something has changed. But this is why I like looking into these projects. If you live in Avondale, you probably want to know, hey, what are they building there? Are they building houses, data centers, shopping? I would want to know because all of those things can change what an area looks and feels like as it grows. And Avondale is definitely growing. So if there's a giant dirt lot that you've been driving past thinking, what are they building right there? Well, drop the nearest cross streets in the comments. I'll investigate it next because at this point, I guess I'm just the West Valley construction detective. It's fun. I have skin in the game. I have family that lives in Avondale, and I also want to know what's being built around there. And it just makes me more resourceful as an agent. So again, put some cross streets in the comments if you want to know where is being built around where you live in Avondale. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.